Get ready for an exhilarating adventure. Today, we're plunging into the realm of heart racing, high-stakes activities that will take your breath away. Let's jump right in. It was a heart-pounding moment when this driver encountered a sudden, fierce blaze. Thank goodness he made it out safely. This blaze that engulfed the multi-million-dollar Liberty 282B haul truck led to massive financial losses for its owner. Whoever thought that transporting a 3-ton piece of glass by helicopter in such bad weather was a good idea? Probably didn't expect it to end up like this. It seems these operators failed to make precise calculations when attempting to move such a massive stone. The weight of the bridge beam, coupled with poor construction practices, clearly resulted in this unfortunate disaster. This ship should have been launched using a more powerful crane. Its weight is too heavy for this crane to handle. What a thrilling moment! Fortunately, the excavator operator emerged unharmed from the situation. Perhaps the purpose of crushing this car was to demonstrate the superior power of this D11T bulldozer. This footage captures a costly collision between two Carnival Cruise Line ships in Cozumel, Mexico, while one was docking. It was a costly collision. The incident occurred between two Carnival Cruise Line ships in Cozumel, Mexico, while one ship was docking. Oh no! The driver quickly exited the car before it fell into the hole, but he still appeared shocked by the incident. Let's witness a thrilling demolition scene. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting content coming your way. Fleeing from the excavator on the verge of sinking was likely the best decision this man made during his workday. A failure in the support structure was the main cause of this unfortunate collapse of the steel framework. A cold, snowy day is certainly not an ideal workday at all. The snow buildup on the vehicle's tracks made it hard to move, causing it to tip off the transporter. These logs weren't secured properly, leading to their collapse and causing traffic jams that lasted several hours. This crane became unbalanced, raising its front. It needed help from another crane to return to its original position. Wow, this is certainly a unique yet dangerous way to extinguish the fire. This driver was careless for not lowering the truck bed before moving, causing it to crash into the bridge and break apart. Oh my gosh! I was stunned when the equipment malfunctioned at the steel plant, spilling molten steel on the floor and causing chaos. This is a prime example of how demolition always carries unpredictable and dangerous risks. An electrical incident ignited a fire that spread to the excavator's tracks, producing thick smoke that obscured the operator's visibility. This huge metal pipe is too heavy for these two cranes and those fragile cables to handle safely and effectively. Well, the excavator's assistance doesn't seem to be making the situation any better at all. This might just be the most common rookie mistake drivers make when positioning their vehicle. They should have used a more powerful truck and crane instead of one of the same size as the vehicle being transported. Moving across frozen lake areas saves time, but slight temperature changes can weaken the ice, causing dangerous situations like this. What a dangerous situation! Just a little closer, and the entire house could have collapsed onto this excavator. Steep roads are always a challenge for any vehicle to navigate. The long steel beams seem to pin the vehicle to the road. Its attempt to move eventually caused it to collapse. It's time for this structure to be demolished due to its severe deterioration. Moving wind turbine blades has never been an easy task, especially when navigating winding mountain roads like this one. Oh no! That thin cable snapped before the task could be completed. Everything was proceeding well until the fire suddenly flared up. Some events are simply unexpected and impossible to foresee. The driver can quickly drop off the wood, but it will take quite a while to organize it neatly afterward. This dust cloud appears to swallow the excavator in no time at all. It seems that moving this giant bucket is an impossible task for this forklift. The excavator operator is doing everything possible to salvage the situation after the mixer encountered a malfunction. Despite a slight loss of balance, the forklift ultimately completed its task successfully. The tractor may have experienced a brake system failure, which is why it couldn't control its speed before crashing into the water. Driving through water can save time, but it always carries hidden dangers, and it doesn't always go smoothly, as seen in this situation. The muddy sand has posed significant challenges for this Volvo's movement. These steel rolls always pose hidden dangers if they aren't securely fastened during transportation. This bridge appears as if it could collapse at any moment while this heavy truck crosses it. The workers are doing their best to salvage the situation, but the fire has completely destroyed this excavator. This is definitely not a smart way to transport concrete pipes. The driver should definitely pay more attention to the height of their vehicle to avoid situations like this. I can see the operator's efforts with the excavator, but it appears to be stuck in the mud and it isn't moving at all. It seems that the operator of this forklift doesn't have much experience in their job. The muddy terrain after heavy rains is always a nightmare for operators of these tractors. This is a clear sign that it's time for immediate repairs. The freezing weather and heavy snow have presented major challenges for the TT4 tractor to move. The amount of dirt and rock seems to have trapped this truck, preventing it from moving. Once again, a similar situation occurred, but luckily the push truck behind successfully rescued the trapped truck. This crane lost its balance and tilted, but fortunately no one was injured. The thick layer of snow has made this rescue much more difficult. Oh my god, that load is far beyond the limit. The scale just collapsed. If you love these exhilarating moments, be sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more exciting content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next adventure.